Let's start with theming. I want access to these colors. So to create a theme, I'm going to go to File, Manage Themes. And it brings up our theme manager. To create a brand new theme from scratch, I'm going to click the plus button. I select the drop-down menu, and I choose the color picker tool. And then all I need to do is hover over the color I want to select. In this case, I'm going to select this blue color. And in this case, I'm going to choose the font tab. And I'm going to use one of my favorite fonts, which is this Muso Sans 500. So I'm going to click on Logo. In this case, I know it's sitting here on my desktop, so I'm going to select it. So when I click Save, wherever there's a theme dropdown, I should be able to click that dropdown and choose the theme I created. In this case, Generic University. But I can actually see what they'll look like based on the theme I created by using the theme dropdown here. And now, just like that, I can grab any of those callouts and they will maintain that same themed color consistency based on the theme dropdown. And that is by using some of the built-in assets that come free. Inside of this library, there's actually 3 folders I want to draw your attention to. The intros folder, the lower thirds, and the outros. That's because the items in each of these folders are customizable. And I'm going to pick an intro from this drop-down menu. I'm partial to the state intro, so we're going to add that one to our project here by clicking and dragging it down onto track number 1. But because I've already created a theme, I can use the drop-down theme menu, choose the one we created, Generic University, and with one click, the logo has been changed, the colors have been changed, and the text matches the font that I wanted it to be. And I can save it for future use. And there's a couple ways I can do it. One way is to simply right-click on it, choose Add to Library, Templates. And that's going to allow us to take a couple of different aspects that we've already built and combine them into one template for use. The next thing I would add is something called a placeholder. To add a placeholder to our video, all we need to do is hit the hotkey, the letter P. And when I push P, I have a placeholder dropped here on my timeline. I can come over to the Properties panel and give myself a little bit more direction. I could also give myself notes, use fall class content. We'll see that there's a little note icon at the end of the placeholder. Is that they hold the properties of any sort of changes you make to them. Place this media by simply clicking on something in my media bin or in my library and clicking and dragging it on to that screen recording placeholder. When it turns green, it replaces it. That transition has been applied to whatever media I put in that placeholder. Quick note, wherever your playhead is at that time, it will create a thumbnail for your video from that point on. So for us, let's move our playhead back to the beginning maybe to show what the intro slide looks like. We'll do File, Save Project as Template. I'm going to name this one Science. We would go to File, Manage Templates, or File, New Project from Template,